Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you in a minute how to uninstall system updates, repair phone, bring default system version. So I made this video in case you have a trouble when you update your system, or you have a trouble with your Android phone, you get hacked, or there is a virus or malware in your phone. You can delete the virus, or you can repair your phone by the final resort. The last resort is to bring your default system version or factory reset. So it's very easy. Just go to your settings, try to search the backup in the additional settings, and this one, the last option is backup and reset. So before we go further, please make sure you back up your data first. Move your data or save your data into flash drive or into your PC, and if already saved, be ready to erase all the data by tap the factory reset. On my phone, it can be different in any devices, but in my phone there are some options here. I can reset only the network settings, or reset the system settings only, erase download apps and their data, erase all data including photo and music, erase contact or erase message stored on this phone. So there is some option here. So please be wise. If you have a big problem, I recommend you to just erase all data, but make sure you back up your gallery, your photo first, or your contact first before going to factory reset. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below, and see you in the next video.